Hello everyone, this is Josh Osler, Director of Golf, and I'm here to show you how we're going to book tee times during the renovation period at the neighboring facilities that we have arrangements with. So this is a desktop view. The first thing you'll see is at the top, you'll see any existing tee times that you already have in place. You'll see where they're at and the time of day and the date. If you want to book other tee times, you'll simply go down to the calendar and select the date that you're interested in. So the first date these are available are March 16th. So we'll click on there. Here you'll see a little different, a list of the facilities that we have access to. Now, Monday, only the Villages has tee times offered to us. And so you'll see all of the other facilities will say no availability, but then you'll see the Villages displayed, the time available, and the price. So if you want to select that option, you can just go in here and you'll see the tee times that are available. In this case, 2 tee times for a 1 o'clock shotgun that they do on Mondays. Now, once you enter in the facility view, you can go to future dates and see which times they have available. In this case, for the Villages, let's say we want to play on Tuesday instead. In this case, I already have the 12:15, but you can see the other times that are available throughout the week here for the Villages. Now, if you still want to focus on a particular day, let's say Thursday the 19th, you'll see that quite a few more courses have tee times available. They'll all be listed here. I think Palo Alto Hills is the only one without. Again, you'll see the pricing. You'll see the rough tee time window that they have times available to us. Let's go into Silver Creek Valley. And then you'll see at some times these facilities have either events going on or they have maintenance, in this case, maintenance week. And so the tee time that they would normally have available is not available just during that specific time. So if you see that, just know that there are tee times. In this particular case, they are just not available. So we'll go to another option here. Let's go to Burlingame Country Club. So you'll see they have an 8:40 and 8:50 on the 19th, and we can freely book those tee times. So as you scroll through, you'll be able to take a look at other Burlingame times. I think they're Wednesdays and Thursdays. But that's the way that you'll be able to book by date and also by facility the times that are available at these neighboring clubs. Keep in mind, again, these open 7 days in advance at 8 p.m., the normal cadence of our normal tee time booking windows. New to this is that 48 hours before this tee time, those tee times will be closed for booking, because if they remain open, they will be given back to the host facility. So if you have that tee time and the 48 hours comes up before that tee time, just realize that you have locked yourself into that time and are responsible for any greens fees in case you somehow can't show up to that time. We have a great offering here. We hope you enjoy playing at these other facilities. And as always, happy golfing.